Netflix is about to bring its Shuffle Play to all users worldwide. Now, I think this is a very cool feature. We talked about it in the past. They were trying it in a few different markets. And the question was, okay, is this a real thing or are they just goofing? And it turns out it's a real thing, and they claim that it's been successful, whatever test run they've done in those markets. The idea here, Will, is that Netflix becomes more like TV. You boot it up, and it just starts playing. And it starts playing based on the algorithm and your watch history and maybe a movie that you got partway through, and it kind of guesses that you probably want to finish that. Now, you can click a button as opposed to scrolling and looking around like you normally would, or just clicking whatever's on the homepage. You can click this shuffle button. Now, they haven't necessarily figured out exactly how they're going to run the feature. Some of the tests show a dedicated button that you'll click. Other tests show that you'll just launch straight into it. Maybe this is a setting that you can control. But it certainly seems futuristic, and the more algorithmic control that exists over our online and consumption experiences, the closer we get to this future in which there's no clicking anymore. But that the algorithm is so good at figuring out what to show you when that you will just log in and log out. You know, if you know what I'm saying, log in and check out. They would just, you know, home. Your eyes just gloss over, full zombie mode. It's just feeding you everything you need, or you think you need.
Like Clockwork Orange.
You consider to be mental nutrition.
Yeah.
You're like, how long have I been on here?
3 months.
I don't know anymore. What day is it? Home.
That's terrifying.
Yeah, I know. Anyway, I don't think it's going to be like that right away. That's a bit of a downer. I think it's probably just going to be cool right away, like TV was, where you can just kind of relax a little bit, and this could solve, at least in the short term, that problem of spending more time figuring out what you want to watch as opposed to just watching some stuff and taking some chances. Like, I took a chance on Disney Plus the other day. I told you, I watched the Isle of Dogs movie. I would have never watched that, but it was just right there. I was like, okay, what is it? And then next thing I watch it, and I enjoyed it. So sometimes it's tough to get introduced to something new when you have when you're exerting this tremendous control over your experience.
Even though it's just the press of a button.
I know. It's weird, man. People are crazy.
Yeah.